Okay, Monday morning and we are in North Wales, typical heat pump country in the middle of nowhere, down a narrow track. I've got a good hour or so to wait for the lads to get here who are going to carry out this installation, but this job is a really interesting one. It's interesting for a few reasons. First one being the customers are and have been keen to go green over their time at this property. They've been here for 49 years and as you can see they've got a shed load of PV on the roof. The house itself has been a labour of love for the guys that live here. They've done it up themselves from top to bottom over the years, had multiple heating systems from oil boilers to LPG boilers, Argas. Currently they've got a biomass boiler and they're keen to get off the biomass boiler, mainly because the price of energy, the price of the pellets themselves has gone through the roof over the years, but maintenance costs and the availability of maintenance engineers has meant it's been challenging for them, to say the least. And they're at a point in life now where they just want comfort and no dramas. So another reason why it's interesting is because of the varying build standards in the property. The far end of it is hundreds of years old. The middle section is 20, 30 years old. And then the end nearest to us is 10 to 15 years old. So that does present challenges when it comes to the heat loss, the emitter sizing, etc. Because some rooms will have bigger emitters compared to the better insulated end of the house. The other challenge we've got is it is fed in microbore 10mm copper, but because of the piping layout, I'm confident we can heat the place in an efficient manner with that pipe work. There's a few considerations we need to do, which we'll break down in different videos, but I just thought I'd do this quick introduction to the place. That's my current motor there, which is an interesting one because it's a full EV pickup. I've been using it since February and it's worked well for me. It does have its challenges, but on the whole it's been positive. But I'll do a review on that at some point. I'll just quickly show you the current biomass and the lay of the land as we see it, just whilst we're waiting for the guys to get here. You can actually quite clearly see the different build age. That being the older bit. This is the newer bit, and then over that way is the older bit. You can actually see the join where that drain pipe is, and this end being the newest. So the biomass was in an external plant room that the customers have very kindly removed. I came about a month ago to measure the place up and do a full heat loss calculation for them, to do a feasibility study on whether it was worth it or not, going down the heat pump route. So that's the old plant room there. You can see where the roof was, and the old biomass boiler and hopper there, and that flue pipe, which we're going to strip out today. This will be the location of the heat pump, so it just lends itself to it. It's near to the indoor cylinder cupboard, and again I'll do another little video on that shortly. Okay.